Having the right gimbal for your smartphone can completely change your smartphone shooting experience. In today's video, we break down the best gimbal stabilizer for smartphone on the market for this year based on price, performance, and situations they'll be used in. So if you're interested in finding out which gimbal stabilizer will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comments section which gimbal stabilizer you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Axen F8 3-Axis Gimbal Stabilizer. The Axen F8 handheld 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, your ultimate tool for smooth, professional-grade videos. Designed for both horizontal and vertical shooting, the Axen F8 is simple and easy to operate without the need for an app. With a single click, you can take a photo or start recording a video. The 320 degrees panoramic rotation allows for stunning wide-angle shots. Control the gimbal effortlessly with the sensitive joystick and Bluetooth connectivity. The F8 features a large battery capacity, offering up to 10 hours of filming on a single charge. Thanks to the newest anti-shaking technology, the Axen F8 meets the demands of shooting while on the move, ensuring your footage is always balanced and smooth. For a cinematic touch, use the Inception mode for rotating lens shots, or achieve dramatic zoom effects with the dolly zoom feature. Triple hit the trigger button to switch modes effortlessly. Whether you're live streaming, filming a dance routine, or capturing a wedding, the Axen F8 has got you covered. Its enhanced stability and auto-calibration ensure you get beautiful shots every time. Plus, with a battery life of up to 10 hours, you can film worry-free throughout your adventures. Elevate your videography with the Axen F8 handheld 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. Smooth footage, simple operation, and versatile shooting modes make it the perfect companion for any content creator. Axnen HQ4 3-axis handheld gimbal. The Axnen HQ4 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer, a fantastic tool for all your vlogging and filming needs. Designed for smartphones like the iPhone 14 Pro, Xiaomi, and Huawei, this gimbal ensures smooth, professional quality video. The Axnen HQ4 comes with an optional AI smart tracking module and fill light. With just one click, you can start tracking and shooting, all while enhancing your footage with the built-in fill light. The 3-axis stabilization provides enhanced stability, ensuring your recordings are smooth and shake-free, perfect for capturing stunning videos on the go. One of the standout features is the free telescopic rod. Built with 3 adjustable sections, it extends up to 17 centimeters, giving you flexibility in your shots. The built-in 2,500 mAh Li battery runs for 5 to 10 hours, making it ideal for long filming sessions. Plus, the battery is replaceable, so you can keep shooting without any interruptions. Switching between horizontal and vertical shooting is effortless with the one-key operation. The zoom wheel design lets you smoothly zoom in and out, adding a professional touch to your videos. The Gimbal Pro app offers multiple intelligent functions, including automatic motion tracking, panoramic shooting, and time-lapse photography, taking your creativity to the next level. So, whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or capturing special moments, the Axnen HQ4 3-axis handheld gimbal is your perfect companion. Insta360 Flow Pro Gimbal Stabilizer. The Insta360 Flow Pro, a game-changing gimbal stabilizer for your smartphone. If you're into vlogging, live streaming, or just capturing high-quality video, stick around because this is the tool you might be looking for. The Insta360 Flow Pro is packed with features. It's the first gimbal to come with Apple's Dock Kit, allowing you to use your iPhone's native camera app or any of your favorite iOS apps for seamless video creation and live streaming. This is a huge win for those who love direct access to their camera's features. The 360 degrees infinite pan tracking. This feature offers uninterrupted tracking with full 360 degrees rotation. Whether you're filming a scenic view or capturing a dynamic event, the Flow Pro keeps you in frame from every angle. And with Deep Track 3.0, you get advanced AI-powered tracking, including animal tracking, so even your furry friends can be part of your shots. The 3-axis stabilization on this gimbal delivers incredibly smooth footage. Whether you're walking, running, or just trying to get that perfect shot, the Flow Pro handles the shakes and bumps with ease. It's like having a professional film crew right in your pocket. Another great feature is its portable and foldable design. It's compact enough to fit in your bag or even your pocket, and it unfolds in one motion, auto-balances, and powers on. Ready for action. Plus, it has a built-in selfie stick and tripod, which is super convenient for selfies, group shots, or setting up shots without extra gear. And don't forget the one-tap pairing with NFC using the dock kit. It makes connecting to your device super quick and easy. No more fiddling with settings. Just tap and start filming. Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Smartphone Gimbal. The Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal for Smartphone. This gimbal is packed with amazing features designed for all your mobile filming needs. The iSteady M6 comes with an impressive AI tracker. This feature allows you to track faces and bodies effortlessly without needing Bluetooth or an app. It's perfect for vloggers and live streamers. The gimbal also includes a magnetic fill light with cold, warm, and RGB lighting options. This adjustable light helps you achieve the perfect shot, whether you're filming during the day or night. The 7th Gen iSteady 7.0 stabilization algorithm. This advanced technology provides exceptional anti-shake performance, ensuring that your videos are smooth and stable. One of the coolest features is the Inception mode. With a simple button press, you can rotate your phone 360 degrees for stunning cinematic effects. The iSteady M6 also offers 4 expansion ports, which let you connect accessories like microphones and LED lights. The OLED display shows you essential information such as battery life and gimbal mode. Plus, with 18 hours of battery life and reverse charging, you won't have to worry about running out of power during your shoot. The iSteady M6 supports a 400-gram payload and features 335 degrees tilt rotation for versatile shooting angles. Whether you're capturing ultra-wide shots or using the 360 degrees infinite spin shot for epic effects, this gimbal has you covered. ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI Handheld Stabilizer. The ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI Handheld Stabilizer. If you're into smartphone filmmaking or vlogging, this gimbal could be your new best friend. Magnetic AI Tracking Module. ZHIYUN has designed this with advanced AI technology that tracks both faces and bodies. You can place the module on the front or rear of your smartphone, and it uses simple gesture controls for smooth, automatic tracking. This means you can focus more on your shot and less on managing the camera. Advanced stabilization technology in the Smooth 5S AI is truly impressive. It features ZHIYUN's latest stabilization algorithm and high-torque motors that ensure your videos are incredibly smooth and stable. Whether you're filming a fast-paced action scene or a steady walk, this gimbal has you covered. The gimbal features an orthogonal 3-axis structure that allows for true 360 degrees rotation. You can unlock the vortex mode for amazing spinning effects that make your videos stand out. Plus, the gimbal's control panel offers professional adjustments for fine-tuning your shots. Crystal clear body of the Smooth 5S AI not only looks sleek, but also feels great to hold. The handle is wrapped in a gradient texture with silicone for a comfortable grip, and the all-in-one control panel gives you easy access to settings and adjustments similar to high-end cameras. The ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI is a feature-packed gimbal that offers incredible stabilization, advanced tracking, and powerful lighting solutions for your smartphone videos. If you're looking to up your content creation game, this gimbal is definitely worth considering.